Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we updated our customer in the Zoho. So now the time is to delete this customer. So I'm not going to skip any step because I'm using this like a real time project. So I'm live coding, that's why you are seeing that I'm in my last screen. So go to the Postman and here we are going to make this clone of this update. Click on this duplicate and I'm naming this destroy, or you can say that it's a delete, right? And then let's click on this delete and here you need to type delete, right? And then here you need to type your customer ID. So let's go to the documentation and check that you can also retrieve the customers, but we already did this. So here we are here we need to type the customer ID. So what is the customer ID? So our customer ID is in the Sublime here, this one, and I'm not going to copy this again because this customer ID will not be updated because this is the primary key, right? So you can check, you can also get this from there, right? So here we entered this ID and then what's next? We don't need to do anything anymore. So let's click on this send and it's going to delete this customer from this Zoho. So let's give it a refresh that our customer is there or not. So our customer name is Adi Niazi and we are going to destroy this customer and it's there. So let's click on this delete, send this request and it says customer has been deleted. Great. So it returned 200 respond and great. Give it a refresh and it's reloading these services and yes, no record found. So customer does not exist. It means that we are successfully able to delete our customer. So we are using this Postman and we deleted our customer. So in the next videos we are going to delete our customer from the Laravel project. So that's great, you did a great job. So next videos are going amazing, so I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.